Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So another question from continuity. The question is like that: find the values of a for which the function fx is this one is continuous at x equal to 0, and 4 option is given. Which option is correct? We have to check. Now, what is this is the definition of the function in various condition on depending on the x. Okay. So what is given here? We have to check continuity at x equal to 0, right? Therefore f of x equal to given a sin pi by 2 x plus 1 less than equal to 0, tan x minus sin x by x cube greater than equal to 0. Okay, so therefore f of 0 is what? F of 0, we have to take the value of fx in which x is equal to 0. So in which condition x is equal to 0? In that condition, is not it? In that condition is x equal to 0. Just take this function and put the value of x is 0 here. 0 plus 1, it will be x into pi by 2, that is sin pi by 2 is 90, that is 1. Okay, so f of 0 will be a. Similarly, now we have to find out 0 plus fx in which condition x is greater than 0. Look at here, this condition x is greater than 0, so we have to take this function, take this as a value of fx. Okay, now this one becomes our limit, so we have to do here simple limit. All of you do in the class 11, right? And little bit in class 12 also. Now I take sin x common, so 1 minus cos x by cos x, right? And it will be x cube. Now I split this limit into two limits like that. We can split limit in any ways. Okay, this is the advantage of limits, and it will become 1 minus cos x by x square, right? It will be 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is what, sir? 1. Okay, now limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x is what, sir? 2 sin square x by 2. Fine. And this one is x square, so 2 came outside the limit. Now sin square x by 2, this will be x square by 4, and all will be only 4, because we know that limit x tends to sin x by x. If the angle and this axis will be same, so here it is x by 2, so we have to convert this one is also similar pattern, that is x by 2. That's why I am dividing here 1 by 4 and here also 1 by 4. So this will be 2 by 4, limit x tends to 0, and it will be similar sin square x by 2 by x by 2. So look at here, this part again in the form of limit, is not it? So this part will be 1, 2, that is 1 by 2 into 1, that is 1 by 2. Now limit x tends to 0 minus fx, that is we have to take the value of fx in which x is less than 0. So this is the condition, right? So it will be fx will be a sin pi by 2 x plus 1. Just put the value of x here, 0 plus 1, that is a sin into pi by 2, that is a into 1, that means a. So according to the questions, we can say the all three are equal, is not it? All three are equals. Since this function is continuous at 0, so we can say these all three are equal. So it will be a equal to 1 by 2 equal to a, that means a equal to half, a equal to 1 by 2. So which option is correct, sir? Here option A is correct, right? Option A is correct. Option A will be the correct answer. Okay, it's so simple. Let me explain in 10 to 13 seconds. This function is given. I take f of 0 is what? This one. It becomes a, and I take limit x to x tends to 0 fx, and the function will be this one, and after that I just use simplify by limit methods, okay, and becomes 1 by 2. Again I take limit x tends to 0 fx, and it becomes a. Now all the threes are equal because since the function fx is continuous at x equal to 0, so from that a becomes what? A becomes 1 by 2. Alright, so thank you for watching, take care, and take one screenshot also.